Hey, how's it everyone? Chef Reggie here with Aloha Shoyu, and today we'll be making Shoyu Chicken with a twist. So instead of braising it in the sauce, we'll be marinating it and then we'll be baking it in the oven. With this, we're gonna make a marinade using Aloha Shoyu's original blend. And this, we're gonna put sugar, star anise, sliced ginger, and green onion in our marinade. Alright, so let's make our marinade. Let's get a pan here using Aloha Shoyu's original blend. So I'll just put it in the pan. About a cup and a half. To this, we're just gonna add granulated sugar. Stir that around so the sugar is dissolved. Alright, to this we're just going to add sliced ginger. Star anise. And green onion will complete the marinade. Then we'll just take our chicken and we want to marinate the chicken. You want to do this in advance so that the flavors marinate into the chicken. So we're using chicken thighs with the skin. I love chicken thighs because it's more moist rather than using chicken breast. Yeah, so we're using chicken thighs for this recipe. Make sure everything's coated. All right. So to this, you just want to let it sit, marinate for at least a couple hours. Or if you want to do this in advance, you can have it marinating for a whole day. Alright, welcome back guys. So we have here our chicken thighs are nicely marinated. And now we just want to take it out and put it on a pan. So we can put it in a 350-degree oven. And then we'll just roast it or bake it for at least 45 minutes to an hour. So we'll just take it out of the pan, shake some of the excess, and then we'll just put it on a pan like so. Good. Now let's bring it over to the oven. Alright, in the oven they go. 350 for at least 45 to an hour. Alright, let's make a sauce for our shoyu chicken, our big shoyu chicken. So it's almost similar to the marinade, but with this we're going to add a little water. So we're going to put about a cup, half of Aloha Shoyu's original blend. To this, we're gonna add 1 cup of water. And we'll add sugar. That's half cup. And then we're gonna put our sliced ginger in here. And our star anise. And then we'll just bring this to a boil. And then we'll thicken it up with a little slurry. Alright, so the sauce has come to a rapid boil. So we're just gonna strain all of the ingredients in here, the ginger, the star anise, because we want a smooth sauce. star anise, the green onion. We're just gonna strain it real fast prior to putting in the slurry. Alright, so our sauce is nice and boiling. We're gonna put in our slurry to thicken it up. Slurry consists of cornstarch and water. You just dissolve the water in the cornstarch and you have this. And then we'll use it for our thickening agent. So just put in a little at a time to your desired thickness. Alright, so we put in a slurry and I think we came to our desired thickness here. And you want to keep it boiling because you need that boiling temperature, high temperature, where you'll get your maximum thickness with the slurry. Alright, our chicken is just about done. It's been baking for about 45 to an hour, and then just take it out and let's plate it. Alright, so the chicken is done, so we'll just plate it up. We'll serve it with a bowl of rice, and then we'll just take the shoyu chicken and just put it on a plate like so. And we'll get the sauce. We'll just drizzle the sauce over it. And then garnish with some green onions. And there you have it. Baked shoyu chicken with Aloha Shoyu.